Third graders, today we are reading Lesson 4 in Chapter 8, Medicine Improves Over Time. You are there. You live on a farm. Your chore is to take care of the cows. One morning, you wake up sick. You've got cowpox. In time, you get over this disease and go back to doing your chores. Another terrible disease has struck. People around you are getting sick, yet you feel just fine. Other people who have had cowpox don't get sick either. You wonder if the cowpox that you had has protected you from this disease. They are calling this awful sickness smallpox. Edward Jenner and Louis Pasteur. Smallpox was a terrible disease that killed millions of people. In 1796, Edward Jenner of England found a way to protect people from smallpox. He learned this from people who once had cowpox. These people never seemed to get smallpox. He gave patients a very weak form of cowpox. Then a person's body learned to fight off smallpox. This prevented the disease from killing the patient. Louis Pasteur of Paris, France, discovered that many diseases are caused by germs. If those germs could be kept out of the body, then those diseases could also be kept out. He developed one way to kill off certain germs by heating milk. Today, we call this process pasteurization, after Louis Pasteur. He made milk safe for us to drink. Jonas, Salk, and Gertrude Elion. In 1952, Jonas Salk made a vaccine for polio. A vaccine is a weak or killed form of a disease that is given to people. Polio is a disease that can damage a person's spinal cord. Some people who have had polio are unable to walk. Salk used Edward Jenner's ideas. He gave patients a dead form of polio. This vaccine saved the lives of many people. If a person already has an illness, then a doctor tries to treat or cure that disease. In the 1940s, Gertrude Elion figured out how to make medicine to attack diseased cells. The medicines she created traveled to the diseased cells and killed them. The medicine did not harm the healthy cells. Elion's medicine helped treat people with diseases such as leukemia and malaria. Elion's medicines saved many lives that would have otherwise been lost. She was given the Nobel Prize for her work in medicine. She was also a member of the National Inventors Hall of Fame. Today, medicines save people's lives every day. Many diseases that once killed millions of people are nearly wiped out. In the 21st century, people are living longer, healthier lives. Summarize the lesson. Edward Jenner found a way to prevent people from getting smallpox. Louis Pasteur invented a way to kill germs in milk. Gertrude Elion created medicines to fight leukemia.